Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
How's the facilities there?
That's okay.
Menteri Rangba ka Jela Conrad kongkel Sangma ha ka Arphandri Tarik Risau Arhaja Arpuar ulalet ben Jurip ya ka Shillong Government College of Engineering ka badan ha ka Shnong Mawlai ka barang shna shat shat hado menta ya ka ni ka college la shna lingba ka jingbai pisa ha po ka rusa 1.0 new professional college mala khamilinti ba ya ka ni ka college on supply ocean ha ka ni ka jingle Jurip pasenran lang do officer jong ka tanat puli puthi bakin thop ya o commissioner and secretary UBDR Tiwari Secretary Ambro CH Marak, Ubadairu State Project Director, Jongarusa Meghalaya, Principal Consultant Jongarusa Meghalaya, Uba Rangskan Mauro, Architect Consultant but Contractor. Yaka Shillong Engineering College on Sapinyasno, Marka School ba North Eastern Hills University Nehu, Nakabanta man I still not Cheki Samla Puli. Hadian kani Menteri Rangba ulalit Jurip bru ika cancer wing jong Shillong Civil Hospital madang shnapan baha. Ya kani cancer wing la pindan kam menshwa kum ko COVID ward men ba ka jingpang khlam COVID kadang one line shop ha kani ka jela banalor kata la shnapan baharu ya ki katto kan ni ki benta na ka benta ban penthia ki bri ki basha sumar na ka jingpang bampong.
You can tell them that in 2 weeks time.
Most of the patients actually are from far off place. So like he's undergoing radiation now, but they're from very far. They can't come and be care. Yes, sir. So this is all the you know this is the dressing room, and here we will be having the spotting the patients. MRT will be coming here, and the office of the department. So the ward for all up here, and for the basement is the machine for the video.
We came to the cancer wing of the civil hospital here in Shillong to see the work going on in the cancer wing. So as you're aware that during the COVID time this was also used as a COVID center, and so certain things had to be changed and overall improvement had to be made. So I'm happy to see that a lot of progress has been made, and we are hopeful that by the end of the month or by the first week of December, the entire civil work that is required to make this functional will be complete. Of course, the equipments, the new equipments will take some more time to come because it's being done through a different process. But in the meantime, at least the facilities, other facilities, the different wards for female and male wards and the daycare wards, they will be ready, and hence it will be ready to be used while we can still continue using the machines that were there earlier till the new machines come. So we're happy to see that it's progressing fast, and we should be able to make it fully 100% functional by the first week or second week of December.